All right, realtors, let me paint a picture for you real quick. You sit down at your desk, open your laptop, and say this to ChatGPT. You will act as an expert data analyst and research 3 comps for this property, summarize the results, draft an email to the seller, and make me a slideshow while you're at it. And it actually does it. No copy pasting, no switching tabs, and no running in circles. It just gets done. This is Agent Mode, and it just changed the game for realtors forever. And if you're not using this, you're basically handcuffing your business, while other agents out here are automating like absolute savages. Look, we've all been there. You're trying to prep for a listing appointment and you end up trapped in this loop. Zillow tab, Google tab, MLS tab, Canva tab, your email, your calendar. You're not working like a pro, you're patching together a digital jigsaw puzzle. Meanwhile, buyers are ghosting you. Your listings are still missing a full CMA, and you're spending 3 hours doing what should just take 15 minutes. That's the villain here. It's context switching, it's repetitive tasks. It's you doing the work that a robot should be doing. Let me break this down. OpenAI just launched Agent Mode inside ChatGPT for the Pro, Plus, and Team accounts. And this isn't just another answer my question update. Agent Mode is an actual task performer. You assign something like book me a flight, fill out this form, build a report and email it to my assistant, and it will actually do it. Just like a junior assistant, but with no PTO and no complaints. So here's how it plays out. You're gonna give ChatGPT a task. Say, build a CMA using the 3 listing links that I put inside the chat, and then put it into a Google Slides deck and draft a summary email for review. It's gonna literally open its browser, click on the links, summarize each comp, pull it up in slides, build your deck, and then it's gonna write the email draft and leave it for you for approval. Now, this is the best part, because before it sends anything, it's gonna say, hey boss, this is what I got. Do you approve this? And you're gonna be like, hell yes, send it. That, in a nutshell, is Agent Mode. It's not just generating content, it's actually operating like a digital version of a trained VA who knows how to hustle. Now guys, this did not come out of nowhere. In January, OpenAI dropped a little experiment called Operator. You probably heard me talk about it. And this was basically a sneak peek. It could fill out forms, buy stuff, book hotels, and that was kind of cool. But then came deep research, which could browse the web, cite sources, and build big reports from scratch. That was even cooler. Agent Mode? That's both of these fused into one beast. Now it browses, thinks, builds, acts, and checks with you first. Now I know what you're thinking. Yo, Adam, is this thing filling out forms, sending emails? What if it screws something up? Well, first off, it doesn't take any final action without your approval first. So if it's sending an email, submitting a payment, or changing account info, it's gonna stop and wait for you. Second, it runs what's called watch mode anytime you're inside sensitive territory, like your email inbox or a banking portal. And third, it can run with memory off to avoid retaining any personal info. So the bottom line is you're in control the entire time. It's like having a co-pilot that double checks every switch right before takeoff. Okay guys, so let's bring this home. How is this gonna make you money? Well, here's what you can offload to your AI agent today, right now. Make sure to check your ChatGPT, because some of us have it and some of us don't, but everybody is going to get it. You can do property research. Tell it to pull neighborhood comps and summarize the value props. Scrutinize this because it's still the beginning, but this is where it starts to get cool. You can now do property research. So tell it to pull neighborhood comps and summarize the value props. Once again, scrutinize these outputs because we need to make sure it's accurate, but you can make client guides. We can now have it write a custom buyer guide based on the current rates and the area we're looking at. We can do follow-up sequences even better than before, and task batching like you've never experienced before, like having the entire robot build out your social media calendar for the next 30 days and even get the videos ready to post. And the best part, you can literally build a business blueprint and have Agent Mode go and execute half of it. So here's the truth, my awesome realtor peeps. The agents who learn this now, they're gonna be the ones running laps around the rest of the market by next year. And the ones waiting around for a tutorial to drop or a broker to figure out, well, they're gonna be posting Facebook memes about how slow the market is while you're doubling your lead flow. This is the split. This is where the early adopters are gonna absolutely pull ahead, and ChatGPT Agent Mode is that accelerator. So here's the move. If you're serious about using Agent Mode to scale your time, build better systems, and dominate your market with AI, don't do it alone. Join us inside the Wolfpack, because when you partner with us at the Wolfpack, you're going to get everything I just showed you, plus Apex Elite AI, Social Agent Academy, predictable productions, and every single piece of training you would need to create a 7-figure-a-year real estate business. All for free. No upsells, no fluff, just straight up AI, CRM firepower, and everything you need on social media that's designed to help agents like you close more, stress less, and actually enjoy your jobs and life again. We've got agents right now building GPTs that generate listing leads in their sleep, and you could be next. So if you're ready to roll with a crew that is absolutely ahead of the curve and one of the most tech-forward crews in the entire industry, so drop Wolfpack in the comments or click the pinned comment, and let's talk about how to make you the most dangerous agent in your market. Agent mode ain't the end, it's the absolute beginning, and OpenAI just opened the gate to task-based AI. So the next step is full automation agents that will run in the background while you're out showing homes. For now, we've got access to the most powerful operator on the planet for $20 a month. Use it, train it, and win with it. That's the move. So make sure to smash that like and sub if you're not already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.